Oh, hi there. Today we're going to look at the constellation of Aquilla the Eagle, visible in the summer skies. It's dominated by the bright star, Altair, with a magnitude of 0.9, which forms one of the three stars of the summer triangle asterism, and it's the 12th brightest star in the sky. The Milky Way passes through the constellation, so it contains a lot of open clusters, but it doesn't have any Messier objects in it. Other known stars are Tarzad, which has a magnitude of 2.7, and Libertas, with a magnitude of 4.7. So do look out during the summertime, on clear nights, dark sky, and look for the brightest star in the bottom right-hand corner of the summer triangle, and that's Altair. And then you should be able to make out the fainter stars that shows the constellation of Aquilla the Eagle. Well, clear skies, dark skies, and happy stargazing, and I hope to speak to you soon. See you soon. Bye for now.